Eighth grade, so we're going to start with a mini lesson on delineating and evaluating claim. Before we get there, though, I want to go over what our research task is asking for this week. You guys aren't going to be writing it right now, but I want you to understand what you are looking to write when you write. So please get these notes down in your packet. This week, you will read the articles Why Rich Kids Become Rich Adults and Poor Kids Become Poor Adults, 7 Kids, 1 Apartment, What Poverty Means to This Teen, and Teenagers Are Losing Confidence in the American Dream. As you review each source, consider the author's claim and purpose. Write an essay delineating and evaluating the claim of each article and assess whether the claim is supported with sufficient evidence and reasoning. Then, identify the author's purpose and analyze how the author develops this purpose throughout the text. Use evidence from the article to support your analysis. So this right here is going to be the questions that you're going to answer as you write. So please take a second to write these down. What is the author's claim or argument? What are the key points of that argument? Is this claim strong? Why or why not? What type and how much evidence does the author use to develop that claim? What is the author's purpose and how is that purpose developed? So take a second to get those down. And then we're going to go through our mini lesson on delineating and evaluating claim. So what claim is the author's argument in the text. And as I'm filling this in, you can fill this in on your paper. That's what the author believes about the topic and wants the reader to believe. When we analyze claim, we need to first consider the topic of the article. What is the article actually about? It's really important to understand topic before we can understand claim. If you don't know what the article's about, then you can't understand what the author believes about it. That's our next part. What does the author believe about this topic? What is the author's opinion? When we delineate or outline a claim, we need to consider the key points of the article. So what are the most important points that the author makes that relate back to our claim? What is it that the author's arguing? We also need to decide what is the type and how much. What is the amount of evidence that the author uses to present their argument? So how much of research studies, how much facts, how many statistics? Is it enough to make this a claim that is strong and supported? To evaluate or assess whether a claim is strong, we should look for types of evidence. Typically, strong evidence are things like research, studies, facts and statistic, excerpts, opinions. And also, we have other types like personal experiences and historical examples that are less strong, but still can make a strong claim if there is enough, if the amount and the source of the evidence is sufficient. So are there multiple or numerous examples given to develop the claim? And who or where is the information coming from? Is it a scientist or is it just a common person? So go ahead and fill these in. And then you're going to continue in your conferencing block agenda, listening to the development of author's purpose, which is the next video, to continue filling in your notes. Good luck.